Hello, year 8. So here we are at my home, my makeshift science laboratory, doing this acids and carbonates experiment so you can see the data being produced in front of your own eyes. Okay, so I've got my acid, here's my vinegar, acetic acid. I need quite a bit of it, so I bought 2 bottles, but actually the way I'm doing it you might just need 1. Here's my carbonate, baking soda, or sodium hydrogen carbonate. It's still a carbonate and does all the same reactions that carbonates do. I've got 5 bottles here. I've just used soda bottles. I've got 5 balloons and I've got my funnel. Okay. I've also got just a teaspoon, which everything here you should be able to have in your kitchen. So a little measuring device. I'm going to control the amount of acetic acid or vinegar that I put in. So on my measuring device, it's half a cup. I'm going to make sure I've got enough in there so that the vinegar is in excess and it doesn't run out during the chemical reaction. Okay. Now, to get the baking soda into the balloon, the one I opened earlier, I'm going to use a funnel. I'm going to put the balloon on the end of the funnel like that. And I'm just going to put 1 teaspoon of soda into the balloon like that. So actually all my soda's in here. When I put it on top of the bottle, if I poured the soda straight into the bottle, it would start reacting straight away and I'd lose some of the gas, right? So this way, what I'll do, I'll show you. I'll put the balloon over the top, like that, and pour baking soda in, and can you see the gas? It's quite a vigorous reaction. All the gas is being produced here into the balloon. Right, so here's our first one. Right, and look, my assistant here, Martha Lodge, can you go and find me a ruler, please? Over there. A nice big ruler. Okay, so when my wonderful assistant comes back with a ruler, what we're going to do is measure the size of this balloon. Okay, we're going to pause it, we're going to find... Okay, back again. So I'm going to measure the height of that balloon in centimetres now. That gives me a measurement of the amount of gas produced. So that is 14.5 centimetres. Okay, so you can start recording the data now. So 1 teaspoon of baking soda produces a balloon that's 14.5 centimetres high. Okay, so I can now let go of that one. Okay, I'll put that to the side. Here is number 2. I've already got the baking soda in there. Right, here we go. You ready? Okay, not just yet. Make sure it's nicely secure. I might have to hold it. Okay, so there it goes. Reacting, all the gas is being inside. Is that bigger or is that smaller? What do you reckon?
I think it's bigger.
Okay. Right, we're going to measure it. Make sure it's all reacted. Okay. So we're going to measure this one now. Still bubbling away, so it's not finished yet. Okay. We can already see, look at the size difference. I wonder whether the balloon at the end is going to burst. What do you reckon? Okay, so the height now, 19 centimetres, okay? So I've got a balloon height 19 centimetres. Right, I'll set that to one side. Now I've got 3 teaspoons of carbonate. Alright. Okay, so I'll put this over the top. My assistant's disappeared. You disappear with the ruler. Okay, here we go. Vigorous, I'm going to have to hold the bottle. bring the ruler back. You can see actual the carbonate's bubbling right up into the balloon there. Okay. I wonder whether I've put enough vinegar in to make this go so that it's the vinegar's not running out and I'm ending up with some excess of carbonate, because if there's carbonate left over it means it hasn't reacted and actually I haven't put enough vinegar in. So let's measure this one. Okay, let's finish now. Actually I can see, can you see any powder in the bottom there, Martha?
Yeah.
Can you? Which means actually we've reached the point where there's not enough vinegar to react. Okay, so that's 19 centimetres. Right, we'll try the next one, see what happens. There's my balloon. So this one has 4 teaspoons. Okay, here we go. Tip it in. Whoa! Whoa! A chemical reaction, a gas is being produced. Let's see if I can wash out all of bicarbonate. You can just about see me here. Okay, so I wonder, put them all next to each other. Can we see if they're getting bigger or not? It's just slightly getting bigger. Now, all the vinegar, if I have got excess in here, all the vinegar should neutralise, right? So it shouldn't be an acid anymore. Let's measure this one. I won't do the last one, we'll just do 4. So the height is actually pretty big now. It's 21 centimetres tall. Okay, so you can see definitely there is progression. As I add more carbonate, the volume of gas produced also increases. Right. So I'm going to do a little experiment which you can't do at home, is to test for carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so I'm going to show you. We've done this one before, haven't we, Martha?
Mhm.
So if I light a match, there's all the carbon dioxide gas. If I light a match and I put it in here, what happens to it?
It'll burn out.
Oh, it went out straight away. Yeah, let's find another one. Here's the one I didn't use. This has got no carbon dioxide in it. And does it go out? Oh, it did
Yes.
then. I think I blew that out. So, this one's got no carbon dioxide. This one's got carbon dioxide, and it put it out straight away because there's no oxygen in there for combustion to take place. Okay, your turn to do the video. I'll stop there. Thank you, Martha. Say bye-bye to year 8.
Bye.